Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Suresh Swadesi here. Today I am going to read Preamble of Indian Constitution before you. But before reading this preamble, I would like to give you some important points regarding Preamble of India and Indian Constitution. As we all know that Britishers ruled over India about for 200 years, and in 1945, when Cabinet Mission came to India, it was declared that India will be freed within 2-3 years, means till 1947. So after this decision or declaration, Indian Constituent Assembly was framed after the elections, and this Constituent Assembly first meeting was held on 9th December 1946. Beginning from here till 26 November 1949, for a period of 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days, Indian Constituent Assembly members took great efforts to frame the Constitution of India. And after the objective resolution of Indian Constituent Assembly, a preamble was prepared for Indian Constitution, and if I say that this preamble contains in a nutshell the ideals and aspirations of the people of India. If I say the preamble indicates the source of authority of the Constitution, and at the same time it clearly defines the objects which the Constitution seeks to establish and promote. So this is very important that we all Indians should have a knowledge and understanding of this preamble. All the words described in this preamble hold a very valuable information. So we should know about this, and just to promote it and just to make it acquainted with all the citizens of India, Government of India adopted or declared it 26 November as a National Constitution Day in India, and its gazette notification was issued on 19th November 2015. Since then, every year 26th November is celebrated as Indian Constitution Day, which was earlier celebrated as National Law Day. So this is to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. This year, on the 77th Independence Day of India, Government of Rajasthan decided that this should be read collectively by people in Rajasthan, and this reading make a world record that so many people were reading this at the same time, and the time was decided 7:15 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and together this set up a world record. Now I am going to read the preamble for you people. Just listen it and try to understand it. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So, friends, this Constitution was adopted, enacted, and given to the Constituent Assembly, adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949, which is celebrated as Constitution Day. I would also like to inform you that the last meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on 24th November 1949, which concluded the time period 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days of framing the Indian Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.